Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Pulit ka jela hakas ngi baar ke la pelat bat ba ya kawai ka mobile application ne ka app ya ka blatep kom ka makeup watch ban Ïarap ki Kynthei bat ki Khynnah ki badan hapdeng ki Jingeh lengba ka ne ka app ki Pulit jong ka tanat ba jantam kin yo jingtep hangno ki tu ki Kynthei Khynnah ki mamat Jingeh ki don bat ka ne kan pen klo ye ki Pulit ban let ai jing Ïarap ya ki tu ki bamat Jingeh Ïakynduh ka app la pelat da ka special DGP ka jela ka kong ay nongram. Ha ka Jingeh lang ka balalong ha police headquarter Shillong. Kumba ka long menta, kani ka app ka don ha kaktin khasi, English bat Hindi, bat kan tray kam suatang ha ki jaka ki bahab ha Shillong, bat hadin ka tu kat Nipor on sa pentray kam ha barok ki district ka jela.
With the presence of our friends from the media, this launching of this app will go a long way in addressing that problem. I would also like to state that this is something that has been thought about not only here, but after like what Dazzle had mentioned, after the Nabhaya gang rape in 2012, we have had various other state police launching various apps. We are happy that we are here in Meghalaya. We've been able to work together with the partner who developed the app and are able to launch the app today. Without saying anything further, I once again would like to request our friends in the media to adequately publicize the launching of this app and the reasons and the facilities which the app will offer to women in distress, and not only to women in distress, but the families of those women in distress. I'm sure that, like Datan has said, it is not the first app that has been launched to ensure that we go a little step further in our efforts to ensure that the response to women in distress is prompt and to the extent possible we alleviate the distress which they are suffering at that time. When Supriya first talked to me about the Makeup Watch app, it was something which had been at the back of my mind and something which unfortunately we in Meghalaya really feel a need for. We are launching this app initially here in Shillong, but we hope to extend the reach of this app to all various other parts of the state, especially in what we have identified as hotspot areas where we have a number of cases reported against women and children. Here in this Makeup Watch app, the features of which will be, will be detailed more specifically by Supriya later in the program. We are looking to address a very long-felt need. I know that a lot of our friends in the media have time and again reported the increased crimes against women and the fact that there is something lacking in our response towards it. We hope that by the launching of this app, we will be able to address the time lag. We will be able to address the issues more efficiently, more adequately, and ensure that it is not just the response, the immediate response, but also the subsequent response, the investigation into the case, the steps that we take to alleviate the distress of women in any situation.
It is a great moment for us today as the launch of the app provides the police new ways to build closer relations with the public and to provide safety and security to all in a more effective manner. And hence at the outset, I would like to thank Special DGP Ma'am for providing full support to the idea and the cause that has led to the launch of the application today. The need of the application was felt as a supervisory officer sifting through multiple cases of POCSO and sexual assault on women on a daily basis. And it was noticed that many cases of sexual assault go unreported, especially when the perpetrators are family members or friends of the victim, and also because of the shame or stigma associated with the commission of such crimes. Moreover, even when cases are reported, the reporting is often very late. For instance, a case may only be reported when a pregnancy in an advanced stage is noticed by a guardian and detected at a hospital, or when an ASHA worker notices domestic violence in a particular household. The situation had to be remedied, as after all, every victim of sexual assault or any kind of abuse must be helped, counseled, provide a sense of justice and safety. In this light, it was realized that the reporting of assault cases may increase if the victim has an option to report a case of sexual assault when she is still under the shock of the incident, when she is panicked, scared, or in distress, and if she is confident that help will come her way. For this, providing a panic button on her phone, a device that we all carry with ourselves 24/7, is essential. Such ideas were first conceptualized in the wake of the Nirbhaya incident in 2012, and it was important that we implemented these ideas for the betterment of the public.